I decided to do a strange experiment. I will cut a board using only my finger.
This is the board I will cut. I secured it to the table and I began to rub the board with my sharp and hard nail. After about an hour of hard work, I realized that my nail is not that sharp and not hard at all. This could take years, so instead of rubbing, I decided to dig into the wood. And it's a bit faster. In some places the wood is much harder and I can't cut at these places. My plan is to dig into the soft spots and then to break the hard ones. These are the results after 8 hours of cutting. I came to this result in a few days because I can't cut all day. My nail wears out in about an hour and I start to have a strange feeling in the finger. I'm still cutting and the next video will be the entire cutting process. I hope to finish this before the end of the summer.